Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Monday, so today is going to be another Makeup Mondays video. Last week, ColourPop revealed their second collection with beauty blogger Makeup Shayla. They released a trailer or teaser for the collection on Instagram and it was just so dope. The visuals were amazing. But today we're going to be talking about this Slay Day lip bundle. Now, the Slay Day Shayla x ColourPop lip bundle comes with 3 liquid lips. It comes with 2 ultra matte lips and 1 ultra glossy lip. At the time that I purchased my lip bundle, the pouch that comes in the Slay Day bundle was no longer available. So I just bought the lip bundle only. So I only have the 3 liquid lips. I do not have the really cute purple bag. Sorry guys. But since we are here to talk about the contents of this package, let's go ahead and do that. So as I said, the lip bundle comes with 3 liquid lips. The first is called Drippin. Came through Drippin. Drip drip. Drippin is described as a pearlescent soft peach with gold and silver glitter. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys on my hands and then we're going to try it on our mouth, okay? Okay, so first of all, it is the color of my hand basically. You can just see some shine, but nothing too crazy, so that tells me that it is pretty sheer. I do see the peach undertone, so I definitely see some peach in there, and it almost looks like iridescent, like a rainbow of glitter. It doesn't really look silver or gold, but let's put it on our mouths and see what happens, okay? Poker. Okay. And I am going to try all of these without a liner so you guys can see how they really look, like their true form. It doesn't feel super sticky, like it's definitely a gloss, but it's not like my lips aren't sticking together, so I like that. It does have a nice scent, almost like cocoa butter, but better. The peach doesn't show up on your lips like a color, but I think it does add just a little bit of color to the natural, whatever natural color your lip is. More on the nude side. I wouldn't call it a nude at all. I would definitely call this almost a sheer lip, but it's nice. I think it adds like a nice shine. I'm not huge on lipstick, but what I love about this bundle is that I don't always wear a lip. I typically don't, but when I do, it's either a nude, a purple, or a red. So Shayla, you definitely got the colors down pat. I could definitely see myself wearing this again, even though I'm not really a gloss kind of girl, because I feel like this isn't as sticky as a normal gloss, and it just, you know, adds like a little shine to my natural lip color. Nothing too crazy. So this is cool with me. This is cool with me. But let's move on to some color, okay? Okay, so the glitter in that one is a little stubborn coming off, but we got it all off, and now we're on to the next one. So let's go with the first of the ultra matte lips, which is Slay Day. I love that this is the one she named Slay Day because in my opinion it's a great color, so you know. It's supposed to be the boldest formula of ColourPop's liquid lipstick, and you're supposed to get a super intense color payoff that dries into an ultra matte transfer proof formula. And this color is considered their vibrant violet. So let's swatch it and then let's try it on our mouth. So there is the swatch. I think it does pretty good on the swatch. Look at that color. And you guys saw I didn't even have to go back in. I didn't have to pump or anything. That's just like the color that comes right out. So I'm excited to try this on my face now. And again, we're trying this without a liner, so no judgments, okay? That's intense. Yes. We need to talk. This is one layer. This is one layer. Just one. We'll let that dry and then we'll see if it's streaky. It feels way better than the last ColourPop liquid lipsticks I tried. Okay, so the first layer is pretty dry. This is what we have so far. I almost feel like it's a little bit light, maybe a little streaky down here, but nothing really crazy. I almost feel like I don't really need a full second layer. Is that crazy to say? Okay, that's a lot of purple. That might be a little too much purple for me. I might need a liner. I definitely need a liner. I never leave my house without a liner, first of all, if I'm wearing lipstick. But this color is popping. Pop. This is like purple. And I have to admit, I was a little skeptical because, you know, sometimes liquid lipsticks will have you feeling like you need to peel your lips off. But this feels pretty good. It's not creamy, but it's not drying. It's refreshing. Okay, ColourPop. Okay, Shayla. These liquid lipsticks were definitely made to last because it was not easy to get it off. Which is a good thing in the sense that if you're wearing it and you're going to be out eating and drinking, you want to know that even if some comes off, you'll still have some color on your mouth, which is great. A little annoying to get off, but I would rather my lipstick be hard to come off than easy to come off and just sliding everywhere. So, and last but not least, we have the infamous Season 10, which is this red lip. Now, I watched the Makeup Shayla reveal video and she talked about how she chose to name this lipstick Season 10 because she's such a Housewives fan and she knows, you know, first season, second season, third season, they're like still doing their makeup themselves. They're looking real regular or real ratchet. By season 10, everybody is snatched and slaying. So, hello to season 10, the ultimate red lip. Now, this is supposed to be a bright, true blue red. So, hopefully, you know, since it's by a brown girl, it'll be for us brown girls and be very brown girl friendly. Woo! Yes, honey, yes. Do you see this? I mean, this is the messiest swatch of all time, but do you see it? Yes, honey, yes. That color payoff, not streaky in the swatch. All right, all right. Ooh la la. Okay, okay. First of all, I'm loving this red. I feel like I could almost go out without a liner with this. Almost. Almost. I will say that it has the same consistency, the same formula as the purple because it feels the same. It feels not drying at all. It's not moisturizing, of course, because it's a liquid lip. But it is not stripping any moisture from my lips. So that's great. But I think it's just a little bit thinner or a little bit streakier on the top at least, so I'm going to go in and add just a little bit more. And I'm not dipping it again, I'm just using whatever is still on the applicator, as you can see. I believe this is called a Dove Foot applicator, so. We're actually gonna line this because it's too good. So I went ahead and lined my lip with Max Current. I'm gonna reapply the Season 10 and see how we feel. Woo! Shayla. Meet my new lip for the rest of the season. This is my official fall lip combo. Just want you guys to know. Okay, you don't want to lick your lips too much with these. It might crumble a little bit, but it feels great. It works great with my favorite lip liner. I think this color is really my favorite. I think this might be my favorite red. Definitely. I love this red. I love how vibrant it is. I really feel like it is a great tone. I love the undertones of it. I feel like you can really tell that true blue. This is poppin', Shayla. Season 10 is definitely a must-have, even if you don't get the entire bundle, which I don't know why you wouldn't because it's $16. And you can get all 3 liquid lips with the bag for $25. But if you were just going to get one thing, get Season 10. Okay, it is $6. All 3 of these retail for $6. And I don't know what ColourPop is putting in their sauce these days, but baby is bomb. I would definitely suggest you get Season 10. Do you see this lip? First of all, I'm giving major Selena vibes, so you already know. It's a yes from me, okay? So congratulations to Makeup Shayla. Happy birthday. Go ColourPop. This lip bundle is definitely worth the $16. I would highly suggest that you purchase this if you are somebody who doesn't really love a lot of lipsticks but just want to go through maybe the basic colors, a red, a purple, and a clear sheer peachish gloss. You can't really go wrong with those three. You can't go wrong. All in all, you're definitely getting your money's worth. It is a $16 lip bundle. It is probably not going to last you through 2 meals and a party, but you're definitely going to get your money's worth. I think it's priced greatly for the product that you're getting. It feels good on the lip. It does not feel drying, unlike previous ColourPop products that I've tried, and it looks damn good. So pretty proud of you, Shayla. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Makeup Monday video, and if you want to see reviews or first impressions or even discussions about other makeup and skincare products, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And of course, subscribe, join the family, and make sure you tap that bell so you get notified and never miss a reunion. We don't want you to be late to the party, okay? That ain't cute. See you guys later. Bye.